Why is losing weight so tough after turning 40? You're not alone, it's not your fault. Women all over the world hit this invisible wall where their old weight loss tricks stop working. But here's the truth, your body is changing, and it's time your approach did too. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, Sarah's Health and Beauty. In this video, we are going to reveal the 8 scientifically backed reasons women over 40 struggle with weight loss, and more importantly, what you can do to finally achieve results. Stay until the end, because small shifts can lead to massive change. 1. Hormonal imbalance, the estrogen factor. After 40, estrogen levels naturally start to decline, especially as women approach perimenopause and menopause. Estrogen plays a big role in fat distribution. When levels drop, fat tends to accumulate around the abdomen rather than the hips and thighs. This hormonal change also affects metabolism and insulin sensitivity, making it easier to gain fat and harder to burn it off. Tip: incorporate strength training into your weekly routine and fuel your body with phytoestrogen-packed foods like flax seeds and soy, which is a powerful combo that naturally supports hormonal balance and keeps your body strong and vibrant. 2. Slower metabolism, the age factor. Your basal metabolic rate, the number of calories you burn at rest, declines with age. By 40, it could be slowing down by 1 to 2% each decade. This means that even if you eat the same amount of food as you did in your 30s, your body stores more of it as fat. Tip: emotional eating becomes more common in midlife. Pay attention to hunger cues, avoid eating out of boredom, and practice mindful eating, slow down, savor every bite, and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. 3. Muscle loss and sedentary lifestyles. Sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle, begins around age 30 and accelerates after 40. Less muscle means burning fewer calories, even at rest. Muscle is your metabolism's best friend. After 40, we lose about 1% of muscle mass each year, unless we actively work to preserve it. Less muscle means 1. Slower metabolism. 2. Gaining more fat. 3. Less strength and mobility. Tip: include full body strength exercises 2 to 3 times a week. Eating protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, and fish helps build and preserve lean muscle. Bonus: 4. Increased chronic stress and cortisol levels. Let's face it, by 40, many women are juggling careers, caregiving, and personal challenges. Chronic stress causes cortisol levels to rise, which not only increases cravings, especially for sugar and carbs, but also encourages fat storage around the belly. Tip: dedicate just 10 minutes a day to stress-busting habits like yoga, deep breathing, or journaling. These simple practices can calm your mind, lower cortisol levels, and unlock your body's natural ability to burn fat more efficiently. 5. Lack of sleep. The invisible weight loss blocker studies show that women over 40 often experience disrupted sleep due to hormonal changes. And when you sleep less than 6 to 7 hours per night, your hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, get out of balance. You crave more food, especially high-calorie ones. Tip: create a sleep-friendly routine. Power down your screens an hour before bedtime, skip that late afternoon caffeine. And commit to 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body and mind will thank you with better energy, balance, and fat-burning power. 6. Insulin resistance, when your body stores fat like crazy. As we age, our cells become less responsive to insulin. This state, known as insulin resistance, causes blood sugar to spike, signals your body to store more fat, and makes shedding extra weight feel like an uphill battle. Even healthy foods can spike blood sugar if eaten too frequently or in large portions. Tip: cut back on processed carbs and sugars. Focus on a balanced diet with healthy fats, lean protein, and plenty of fiber. Consider intermittent fasting with medical guidance to improve insulin sensitivity. 7. A one-size-fits-all diet. What worked at 25 doesn't work at 45. Most diets overlook the powerful hormonal and metabolic changes that women experience after 40, changes that can completely alter how your body stores and burns fat. Following extreme calorie-cutting diets can backfire, slowing metabolism even further and increasing cravings. Tip: focus on nutrient-dense meals that support your hormones. Load your plate with anti-inflammatory powerhouses, vibrant leafy greens, antioxidant-rich berries, golden turmeric, creamy avocado, and omega-packed salmon for a body that thrives from the inside out. Don't just eat less, eat smarter. 8. Thyroid problems, the sneaky cause of weight gain. Your thyroid controls your metabolism, and many women over 40 experience hypothyroidism, often undiagnosed. A sluggish thyroid can cause 1. Weight gain. 2. Fatigue. 3. Depression. 4. Constipation. 5. Cold intolerance. If you suspect this, ask your doctor to check your TSH, free T3, and free T4 levels, not just a basic panel. With proper treatment, your energy and weight can improve dramatically. Tip: focus on foods rich in selenium, iodine, and zinc, like Brazil nuts, seaweed, eggs, and pumpkin seeds. And don't forget hydration. Your thyroid needs proper hydration to work effectively. Losing weight over 40 isn't impossible. In fact, with the right strategy, it becomes sustainable and even empowering. This phase of life is not a curse, it's an opportunity to reconnect with your body, nourish it properly, and build lifelong wellness. Remember this: perfection isn't the goal. Consistency is where the real transformation happens. So, which of these 8 reasons resonated with you most? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if it opened your eyes. You deserve to feel strong, energized, and unstoppable at any age. And your transformation? It starts today.